Okay, so on this one, what we're looking at is they're saying f of g of 0, g of f of 0. So what does that mean? Let me bring it down. Part A here, f, g, 0. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to start on the inside. I'm going to go. So the first step, first I'm going to do the inside. So what do I mean the inside? I'm going to do g of 0. So start on the inside. That's how we always work with parentheses, right? Start on the inside. So what then is g of 0? What is g of 0? Well, that means plug 0 into the g function, right? Here's the g function. I'll bring it down right here. So g of x is 7 minus x. So if you plug in 0, right, we always put parentheses around it. We get that 7 minus 0. 0 squared is 0 times 0 is just 0. 7 minus 0 is just 7. So the inside is 7. So this becomes f of 7, doesn't it? That whole inside g of 0 just became 7. And so now second, do the outside. So first I did the inside. I found out g of 0 is 7. And then now I'm going to do the outside. So f of 7. So what is f of 7? Well, that means, let's take that f function, which is right here. And that's 3x plus 8. And I'm going to put in a 7. And so what do I get when I plug in that 7? 21 plus 8, 29. So that's the answer to part A. So do you see how I worked that out? I started on the inside. Started on the inside, found g of 0. Got the answer for that. And then plugged that in and did the outside. So first the inside, then the outside. All right, and then on to part B we go. So g of f of 0. So now again, same kind of thing. First, we do the inside. So how do we, so we start with the f of the 0. So let me again write the f of x function. F of x is 3x plus 8. So if we do f of 0, we get 8. That makes sense? So that's the inside, and then you finish the outside. So the f of 0 on the inside has become 8. So now we're doing second the outside. And so that'll be g of 8. So I'm going to put 8 into the g function now. Let me write g of x first off. So g of 8. 7 minus 8 squared. What do we get here? We get 7 minus 64. What's that? I think it's minus 57. Yeah, so minus 57. So that's the answer to part B. So notice then, on both these problems, that we start with the inside, figure out what the inside is, get that answer, and then we secondly do the outside, plug that into the outside function. So start by plugging 0 to the inside function, get that answer, and then plug that answer into the outside function. So you work your way from the inside out. And then that's your final answer for both part A and for part B. And so there we go.